Hi, I'm Belle and welcome to How to IT. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily multi-stream using OBS. If you need help downloading OBS or setting it up, please check my beginner guide linked down in the description below. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to be focusing on YouTube, Twitch and Kick. But of course you can use this method to stream to many different platforms of your choice.
Okay, before we get into both techniques of multi-streaming, just some technical stuff. So because we're going to be streaming to 2 different platforms, or possibly even 3 different platforms, you will need to make sure you have the internet upload speed to achieve this. To check this, you can go to speedtest.net and check how much upload speed you have. So let's say YouTube requires 8 megabits per second to stream, and then Twitch uses the same 8 megabits per second to stream. So to achieve an effective stream, you need to make sure you have over 16 megabits per second upload speed. So if you add another stream, say you're streaming to YouTube and then Twitch, and you also want to stream to Kick, then you'll need to add another 8. So then you're up to 24 megabits per second. So just make sure that you're over the recommended because you just need a little bit of wiggle room. The last thing you want to happen is your stream just drops out. The second thing to consider is what your computer is capable of. So if you're streaming to 2 services, that's going to use, let's just say, double the resources of your computer. So I recommend just doing a quick test stream just to see how it goes. Okay, one more thing. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a stream to YouTube and Twitch and Kick using the plugin for OBS. If your computer or internet upload speed cannot handle using the plugin, you can go to Restream. So restream.io. I'll have a link in the description. But they do offer a Restream service. They do have pricing plans, but they do have a free one, and you can stream to 2 channels. I think there is a watermark, but I'm not sure. I personally use the OBS plugin that I'll show you today. But this is an option if you don't have the internet upload speed or your computer just can't handle it. Okay, so the plugin we're going to use is RTMP Outputs plugin. Now, this was originally created for VTubers when it first came out, and the creator is actually Japanese. So that's why everything is in Japanese. So don't fret. But we're just going to go to downloads. I'll have a link in the description. And then we'll get greeted by this page. Just scroll down until we get to assets. Now here there's macOS and Linux. So you can choose the installer, which will install it for you, or you can download the zip file and then put it into your plugins folder for OBS. I'm just going to use the install exe. So if you did get the zip, you would put it in the OBS Studio plugins and then copy and paste it into there. And I'm just going to press install. Now it's completed. Now, if you do have OBS open, you will have to close OBS and open it again. Okay, so we're just going to open OBS. I'm already running OBS because I am recording my screen. Okay, so we have OBS open and we're just going to go into Docs up the top, and you should have multiple output. Now, if you don't have this, restart OBS if you didn't already. If you did, there may have been some installation issue. Just try and reinstall it again. So we're just going to click on that. Mine opened on my other screen. And we're just going to put it to the side here. Okay, so first things first, you need to start. So first things first, you need to have your first streaming output set into OBS. So the first channel that you're going to stream to, whether it be Twitch or YouTube or Kick or whatever, Facebook, blah, 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 you need to put that into the OBS settings. So if we go to settings, we click on stream. I've got my YouTube and I've signed into my account. So this is our first streaming platform in here. I do kind of recommend streaming to YouTube natively from OBS, and then with the multiple outputs, streaming to Twitch and Kick and whatever else you want. Okay, so we're going to press OK because we've set up YouTube. Now, if you need help setting OBS up, go look at my beginner's guide. It should get you started. Okay, so to set up another stream, we're going to press Add Target, new target name. I'm going to say Twitch. So we're going to click on protocol. We need to have RTMP, which is real-time messaging protocol or processing. This just tells OBS to whatever is happening on the YouTube stream to also happen on the Twitch stream. So now we need to grab our URL and our stream key. So if you go into your Creator dashboard in Steam, this is our primary Steam stream key. We're just going to press copy. Then we're going to go back into OBS. And then we're going to paste it. Now with the URL, Twitch is a little bit different. We have to go into this web page and find the most suitable network for you, depending on your location. So I'm just going to grab this one and copy that. Going to paste it in there. Now where it says stream key here, you can highlight where the brackets are and then paste your stream key in there. Sometimes it doesn't read this correctly. I don't know, sometimes it just doesn't connect properly, but I always find if I put my stream key in there, it works like straight away. So all the other settings, they're getting from OBS. So you don't need to worry about any of these. If you do change this stuff, beware that it will add an additional load on your GPU and CPU. Okay, the other settings I like are sync start with OBS and sync stop with OBS. So if you press start streaming over here, all of these will start at the same time as well. If you press stop streaming, all of these should stop as well. Now, there is a bug. Sometimes these don't start when you press start streaming. So just be aware of that. If that is the case, you can always just press start or start all. Okay, so this is done. We'll press OK. Now we have our Twitch. So we can always add another one. We can name this Kick. Again, grab your URL and stream key. So that's the URL. And stream key. Just a word of caution, don't share your stream key with anyone, otherwise they're going to be able to stream to your channel. If you do, you can always reset your stream key. So we're going to make this start and stop when we do OBS, and we press OK. So now we have Twitch, Kick, and also YouTube all ready to go. Now, if you want a combined chat, I recommend Social Stream. I will have a link in the description for this. I'm going to make another video on this where we can set up our chat and have pop-ups and things. Okay, but apart from that, you're ready to go. You can press start streaming and it should start Twitch and Kick as well. So one of the reasons why I like having YouTube as the OBS integrated into the OBS one instead of over here is because you can manage the broadcast. So you can add your title, your description, if you want it public straight away, your category. You can say, no, it's not made for kids, or yes, it's made for kids. Then you can place a thumbnail, and then you can create broadcast and start streaming, and then it should start streaming to Twitch and Kick as well. Okay.
Well, I hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more OBS tutorials, and as always, have a fantastic day.